Journey ahead and the day ahead today, where we have this wonderful press conference in the presence of wonderful dignitaries. I'd like to invite them one by one on stage by introducing them. We all know the man on the planet to play 200 test matches. Good afternoon, sir, and welcome. Going ahead, we all see him play different roles and always there as a mentor to help everyone, in the form of an administrator, in the form of a mentor, and here as the ISPL core committee member, and of course, the honorary treasurer of the BCCI. May I invite on stage Advocate. Whenever you talk about a league, whenever you talk about a concept, you need someone to execute it to perfection, right from the smallest of things to the biggest of things. And that is where you need someone to run it in the right way. May I invite on stage the League Commissioner of the Indian Street Premier League and the Apex Council member of the Mumbai Cricket Association, Mr. Suraj Samath. Yes, and then may I invite and have the honor of inviting Venkata, Mr. Saif Ali Khan and Mrs. Kareena Kapoor Khan on the stage. Applause for all our dignitaries on the stage, where we are here to take the day and the Super Sunday ahead. We spoke about season 1. मैंने आपको बताया कि वो सीजन कैसा था. आपने एक AV भी देखी और जिसमें हमने कहा कि एक revolution था, एक evolution आया that broke down the walls and the barriers literally, where we made that transition from street to stadium. 18 लाख से ज़्यादा registrations first season में. 96 damdar, resounding success, and it is now a movement where everybody wants to be a part of it. Let's have a look at what exactly that season was in the form of an AV. Round of applause here, exactly like how it was at the Dadoji Kondev Stadium, where we had about 35,000 fans thronging the stadium to watch the grand finale. And if you were to just take that journey back, when we had those auctions, a highest bid price of 27 lakhs, 6 teams, and from there, even today when the music was playing, Ashish sir, it felt like we are at Dadoji Kondev Stadium, the kind of vibe that we had here, okay? So that's what it is all about. We'll take the conversations ahead, the interactions ahead. We'll have a nice interaction with everybody here. But to speak on behalf of the ISPL, what happened in season 1, what lies ahead in season 2, may I request the co-committee member of the ISPL and the honorary treasurer of the BCCI, Advocate Ashish Shelar, to say a few words.
स्टेज पर सचिन होने के बाद मुझे ओपनिंग करने के लिए बुलाया है. आज ISPL सीजन 2 हम लॉन्च कर रहे हैं और हम सब ने देखा है कि ISPL 1 का सीजन कैसे गया. ISPL 1 से 2 के बीच में हमें एक बहुत बड़ा नुकसान ISPL परिवार को हुआ. वो हमारे दोस्त, हमारे कोर कमेटी मेंबर, MCA के प्रेसिडेंट अमोल हमारे बीच में नहीं रहे. सूरज और अमोल, इनकी ये बेसिक आइडिया थी. अमोल उसमें बहुत एंथुजियास्टिक था. अमोल ने इसमें काफ़ी मेहनत की, उसमें लगन लगाई. आज ISPL अपना दौर पूरे देश में स्ट्रीट से स्टेडियम तक इस जर्नी को बहुत जल्दी कैप्चर कर रहा है. लेकिन अमोल हमारे बीच में नहीं है. उसकी यादें, उसकी सपोर्ट, उसकी डायरेक्शंस हमारे साथ ऑलवेज रहेगी. जब हम लोग इस लीग को शुरू कर रहे थे तब मन में ये भी शंका थी कि होगा कैसे, सपोर्ट जनरेट होगा क्या. लेकिन करते करते इस लीग का रिकॉग्निशन अभी, सूरज अगर मैं कहूं तो गलत नहीं होगा, इंटरनेशनली भी हो चुका है. और मेरा ये अधिकार नहीं कि आज मैं उसको घोषित करूं, लेकिन सचिन जी और मैं शायद बहुत जल्दी उस दिशा में आप सबको लेके जाएंगे. एक गली में खेलने वाला लड़का, अब मैं लड़का कह रहा हूं, बहुत जल्द लड़कियों को भी शामिल करना पड़ेगा, कि वो अपने सपने को पूरा करने के लिए जब आगे बढ़ता है, बहुत सारे फॉर्मेलिटीज उसके बीच में रोड़ा बल के आती है कि मैं किसी क्लब के लिए खेलूं, मैं क्लब हो, रजिस्टर हो, मुझे कोई टूर्नामेंट खेलने का मौका मिले। टैलेंट है, लेकिन ये बीच के रोड़े मुझे तकलीफ देते हैं, मेरे टैलेंट को रुकवा देते हैं। ऐसा कौन सा जर्नी है जो टैलेंट को सीधा स्ट्रीट से निकलकर स्टेडियम तक लेके जाता है? तो पूरे देश में यही की लीग है जिसका नाम है ISPL, जो बीच में किसी भी तरीके के स्पीड ब्रेकर नहीं रखता और उस टैलेंट को सीधा स्टेडियम तक पहुंचाता है। हमारा ये परिवार भी अभी 18-19 लाख बच्चों का हुआ है। ऐसी कौन सी लीग है कि जिसके पास 19-20 लाख यूथ की पूरी जानकारी है, उनकी स्पेशलिटी, उनका टैलेंट, उनका हुनर, उनकी हाइट, उनकी बॉलिंग, उनकी एक्शन, उनकी बैटिंग, ये सब ऐसा कोई और लीग नहीं है जो ISPL है। तो मुझे लगता है कि अपने आप में इस ISPL के जर्नी को दुनिया में आगे बढ़ाने की तरफ हम आगे बढ़ रहे हैं और हमारे देश के हर बच्चे को, हर युवा को रिकग्निशन भी मिले, रेम्यूनरेशन भी मिले और घर जब जाए तो उसको ये सेंस भी मिले कि वो घर को चला सकता है, इस प्रकार का उसको मौका भी मिले। मुझे लगता है यही ISPL का सक्सेस है। मैं सभी टीम ओनर्स, को ओनर्स और हमारे सभी परिवार के सदस्यों को बहुत धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूं और आप सबको बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं। थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू सो मच आशीष सर। और जैसे आपने कहा कि कोई भी स्पीड ब्रेकर नहीं होगा और यहाँ पे आपको बस हाईवेज मिलेंगे, पिचेस अच्छे मिलेंगे, रन्स बड़े होंगे और रूल्स तो आपको मालूम है, एक पर्टिकुलर दिशा में अगर आप मारते हैं तो 6 नहीं 9 रन्स मिलते हैं, इक्वली बैलेंस्ड फॉर द बैटर्स एंड द bowlers as well. As we saw there, we had 6 teams, in season 1. In season 2 also, we'll be having 6 teams. As we celebrate the spirit of the ISPL, let's turn our attention to the incredible teams that made season 1 truly unforgettable and special, along with being so memorable. We'd like to invite all the team owners one by one, but we'll have a nice the anthem played of all the 6 teams, which tells us about their journey, their team owners, their co-owners, and that's how we'll take it ahead. So one by one, we'll have the AVs played. We'll have a small memento to be presented to the team owners, and then we take the Super Sunday ahead. So if our back-end team is ready, if we can have the first AV played of the team, Srinagar ke Veer. Morarji. May I invite Mr. Sunit Morarji or a representative of Srinagar ke Veer to kindly come up on the stage. May I request Advocate Ashish Shelar to present a memento and a token of appreciation on behalf of the team owner of Srinagar ke Veer. Keep the claps going, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Yes, so from Srinagar ke Veer, right up there, north of India, we come to the next team, that is the KVN Bangalore. Of appreciation on behalf of the ISPL. So from Srinagar to Bengaluru to where we are now, let's have the next team, Majhi Mumbai. On behalf of the ISPL to Majhi Mumbai. It's a beautiful hamper with some delicate things inside and nice mementos that will be wonderful memories of the ISPL. So from Srinagar to Bengaluru to Mumbai, we move to another place because it's afternoon, known for its biryanis. Falcon Risers, Hyderabad. And Mr. Sandeep Gupta. May I invite the team owners of the Chennai Singhams on stage? May I request Mr. Sachin Tendulkar to kindly do the honors? Yes, and then we move to the champions of season 1, who will be now the defending champions in the second season of the ISPL, the Tigers of Kolkata. Champions of the ISPL. May I invite the owner of Tigers of Kolkata, Mrs. Aksha Kamboj, along with the co-owners, Mrs. Kareena Kapoor Khan and Mr. Saif Ali Khan, to kindly come up on stage. And may I request Mr. Sachin Tendulkar to kindly do the honors and present a token of appreciation on behalf of the ISPL to Mrs. Aksha Kamboj, Mrs. Kareena Kapoor Khan and Mr. Saif Ali Khan. Champions of the first season of the ISPL. Thank you. So those were the 6 teams, and how catchy those anthems are of each and every team. And a couple of sights, if you must have seen, that brilliant catch, that middle stump being knocked out, that tape ball being you saw, and that is what real candid moments are all about. And that is what we got to see in the ISPL Season 1. Can we have one big round of applause for that remarkable success that we had for Season 1? Okay, going ahead, there's a beautiful concept that the team has thought about. It's about getting all those memories, वो सारी यादें एक ही book में, where we are going to unveil a beautiful coffee table book which has all those memories encapsulated in that one beautiful book, which you all must see. May I request the back-end team to kindly get those books, and may I request the dignitaries to kindly unveil them on the stage, the coffee table books of the ISPL Season 1. Yes, so that's a beautiful coffee table book that has all those wonderful images, a few messages coming in from our co-committee members of the ISPL as well. Now, along with the coffee table books, we are thrilled to announce a couple of new concepts. One is the app or the application of the ISPL, where you can, just on your cell phones, register yourself as names, and then it's a beta version and it helps you at the registration. Along with that, we had a website already in the first season, but in the second season, we have just added a few features, new features, where you can straight go in to registrations and you can also chat on WhatsApp, which makes the interactions very easy and facilitates interactions quite fast as well. So firstly, we will unveil or launch the app of the ISPL. May I request Mr. Sachin Tendulkar to kindly do the honors, and if I could request the back-end team to just present that, and if we can just connect it on the big screen where we have. Yes, so that is where the ISPL app has been launched at the hands of Mr. Sachin Tendulkar. And as I was telling you, it is in the beta version, and along with that, it is very easy for people, players in the rural areas especially. You may not have a laptop, but on the cell phone, you can just enter your name and registration becomes really fast. Going ahead, as I said, we had the website in the first season, but in the second season, we have updated it with a lot of new features. May I request Advocate Ashish Shelar to kindly launch the website. And if you can have it presented to Advocate Ashish Shelar. With all the new features that it has, your phone number now serves as your login IP and the password. There's an interactive WhatsApp chat that you can have, a callback request that you have, and in case you want to change your city, because this year, the second season, we've had about 55 cities added. If you want to change your cities, you can still do that on the website. Can we have a round of applause for the app and the website that has been launched of the Indian Street Premier League? Now the big announcement, which I'll have the honor of doing. We now declare that now that the season 1 of the Indian Street Premier League was a resounding success, we now announce with our adrenaline pumping that Indian Street Premier League season 2 begins now. Can we have a round of applause for that? Where in the presence of all the dignitaries, we have the ISPL launched. I'll just tell you a couple of new things that we have. This season's trials will be hosted in 55 cities. Now you can just imagine 55 cities across 5 zones, of course, Central, East, West, North, and South, and they'll start from the 1st of October. All the information regarding the trial dates for the respective cities is now updated on the website and the app. It is also mentioned in the press release and the press kit. The tournament dates are official. It will take place, the ISPL Season 2 will take place from the 26th of January to the 9th of February 2025 at the Dadoji Kondev Stadium in Thane. So please mark your dates. 26th January is where we'll have the launch and the grand finale to be played on the 9th of February 2025. There's more to it. It's a special provision. You know, all of us must know of this provision. 55 cities, I've told you. But there's a new provision that the organizers have made. If there's any organization or any individual who wishes to help and promote the youth in their own region through the Indian Street Premier League, all they have to do is organize an ISPL registration camp in their city and register at least 1,500 cricketers. Register at least 1,500 cricketers. Once they meet this requirement, that city will be added to the list of 55 cities. The organization or the individual involved will definitely receive a special recognition from the Indian Street Premier League. For all the details and more updates, you always have the ISPL website for a quick reference. So that's a special provision that the Indian Street Premier League will have getting in to season 1. Can we have one big round of applause where we'll have 55 cities and also a special provision to take it ahead. Now, we heard Advocate Ashish Shelar express his thoughts in his interaction. But going ahead with Mrs. Kareena Kapoor Khan, Mr. Saif Ali Khan, and Mr. Sachin Tendulkar, I'll have the honor of interacting with them in a quick 15-20 minute interaction, and then we take the discussion ahead. Well, we have an opening batter. We have a gentleman who just turned a year younger a couple of days back. But we'll start with the defending champion, with the lady in the house. You know, the first question that I'd like to ask you, when Tigers of Kolkata were playing, you were there to cheer the team. You were also there at the Women's Premier League at the Firozshah Kotla, the Arun Jaitley Stadium in Delhi. Has your passion for cricket evolved over a period of time, or you were always a cricket fan?
I think born in Mumbai, in Maharashtra, a Mumbaiker at heart. I'm also still, right now, just so stunned and excited that I'm sitting next to the living legend, Mr. Sachin Tendulkar, who I think we've just watched on the TV screens at our home and gone like, oh my God. So I am completely awestruck right now, being next to him as well and being part of the ISPL. Coming back to my journey of cricket, I think I've always, been a great fan of watching and enjoying the sport for its team spirit, for the fact that it stands for the heart of what India also stands for. I think when there is a cricket match, every Indian somehow is just glued to, the screen, and your heart is beating. So I've always enjoyed watching that, but never thought I would be a co-owner of a team. Then also never thought I would be married to, into a cricket home where the legend himself and his son, that I would, interact and hear so many old cricketing stories. So definitely over time, it has evolved. The love and the passion has grown, definitely. It's not happened overnight. It's grown because as you grow older, you hear such stories from Saif about, cricket back in the 60s and 70s. And it kind of just gives you also more and more love for the sport when you hear it. And now at the stadium, on the launch opening day of the ISPL, to see those players and my team members, Tigers of Kolkata, play with that passion, I think that even added more, to the love of cricket.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. I'll come back and ask another question later on. But if, and as you say in cricket and terminologies, if you could change strike and if I could request Saif Ali Khan and, the name Tigers of Kolkata, the name Tiger is a very special name for you. But if we were to start this interaction, we just had a triumph in the T20 World Cup. So what are your thoughts on a potential film on the lines of the T20 World Cup triumph?
I think sports films are really exciting to watch, but they're also difficult to make. So provided we can capture the excitement and the challenges that people go through to achieve these things, I think sports films are wonderful. And I hope, we can find the right people to make it really well. Because, like I said, they're difficult to make. But I think the Indian team at different levels for a while now has been shining very bright internationally. It's taken a long time to get there. And the sun of cricket seems to shine on different nations. And now it's our time. So it's a wonderful time for all of us to be very proud of. And the T20, of course, an amazing story. And it would be wonderful.
Yes, absolutely. Looking forward to that. And this conversation will definitely be marked. Sachin sir, if I could request you, this is a number that you're not associated with, but we would request you, where, we saw the moments on screen where we saw those audio visuals. There were so many beautiful moments right from where we launched till the final. Any specific or any special memory that comes to your mind which will be unforgettable as far as the ISPL is concerned?
Many memories, many memories, because right from match 1 to the finals, the way all the players showed their commitment, their love, their passion for the game was magnificent. मगर मेरे लिए एक थोड़ा सा अलग मेमोरी जो मैं कहूँगा बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. व्हेन आई मेट आमिर, जिसका मैंने वीडियो देखा था पहले सोशल मीडिया पे, एंड व्हेन आई वेंट टू कश्मीर आई एंडेड अप मीटिंग हिम. उसके बाद मैंने उसको ये भी कहा था कि आई वांट यू टू कम टू मुंबई एंड प्ले द फर्स्ट बॉल ऑफ ISPL. ये मेरा ड्रीम है. तुमने मेरा टी शर्ट पहन के खेला था, मैं तुम्हारा टी शर्ट पहन के खेलूँगा, और वो ड्रीम हम पूरा कर पाए. और जिस तरह से वो आके वहाँ पे पहला बॉल खेला, सिर्फ मैं नहीं मगर मेरे साथ द होल कंट्री वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट इट, और सच एन इंस्पिरेशन. तो मैं कहूँगा कि वो मेरे लिए एक बहुत खास मोमेंट था.
यस एब्सोल्युटली, हमारे लिए भी सर बहुत वो स्पेशल मोमेंट थी. ISPL के बारे में सर, जस्ट टू टेक दिस कॉन्वर्जेशन अहेड, बहुत सारे अलग अलग रूल्स फ्रेम किए थे एंड यू हैड अ रोल टू प्ले इन दैट. तो व्हाट वाज द थिंकिंग, हाउ डिड यू एक्चुअली कम अप विद दोज रूल्स, इफ यू कुड जस्ट टेक अस थ्रू दैट जर्नी.
सी, हमको मोनोटनी अवॉइड करनी थी. सो not just me, but at home also with my brother Ajit, couple of friends that we rub shoulders with regular basis. Jatin is sitting here, Praveen is also here. Both are, involved and committed in making ISPL a big success. और lot goes, जो हम कहते हैं कि behind the scenes जो बहुत सारे चीज़ें कैप्चर नहीं कर पाते हम, इनके साथ हमने बहुत टाइम बिताया. एंड वी फेल्ट दैट 50-50 रूल, जो कि फ्रॉम 6 to 8 ओवर तक, अगर गेम कभी कभी ऐसे भी हो जाता है कि one team is having a good time, the other team is struggling, they are constantly playing catching up game, और उसमें टाइम नहीं होता है उतना. तो उसमें how can we give them another chance to come back in the game. 50-50 का बेसिकली जो आपने देखा था रूल, जहाँ पे यू गेट whatever number of runs that you've scored, you get 50% more, and if you fall short of that given target of 16 runs and over, then you get only 50% of what you have scored. तो वो डिडक्ट भी हो जाते हैं, तो बढ़ भी जाते हैं और कम भी हो जाते हैं रन्स. तो वहाँ पे बैट्समैन का थिंकिंग, जो एक टेम्परामेंट होता है, वहाँ कई बार क्वेश्चन मार्क हो जाता है. आपके स्ट्रेटजीज़ के ऊपर क्वेश्चन मार्क आ जाता है कि ये सही स्ट्रेटजी है या नहीं. तो कहीं ना कहीं दिमाग भी यूज़ करके खेलना पड़ता है वहाँ पे. वी थॉट इट वाज समथिंग आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स, तो वो एक था. सेकंड वाज गिविंग 9 रन्स. तो बैट्समैन अगर मारता है, आई एम अगेन गोइंग टू से कि बैट्समैन बोल रहा हूँ, क्योंकि बहुत ही जल्दी हम शायद बैटर बोलने लगेंगे. जैसे आशीष जी ने भी कहा कि सिर्फ लड़के नहीं, हम लड़कियों को भी इनकरेज करेंगे इसके लिए. तो मैं बैटर कहना शुरू करूँगा. आई थिंक जो लंबे शॉट्स मारते हैं तो उसके लिए 6 से ज़्यादा रन होने चाहिए, just to make it exciting. Last ball 8 runs to win, you can still win a game. 9 runs जहाँ इस टूर्नामेंट में जो हम खेले वहाँ पे 4 बैटर्स ने स्कोर किया था. The third one was tape ball, reverse swing. अगर हम बैटर को कुछ एडवांटेज दे रहे हैं तो bowlers also need to get in the game. So reverse swing जो मैं खुद प्रैक्टिस करता था during my playing days, I used to tape the ball up on one side. उसका बेसिकली एक तरफ हम सीजन बॉल के साथ हम शाइनी और रफ साइड दिखते थे, मगर टेनिस बॉल के साथ एक तरफ जहाँ पे टेप होती है वो लगा के रिवर्स स्विंग की मैं प्रैक्टिस करता था इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट के लिए. तो आई थॉट व्हाई नॉट दिस बी इंट्रोड्यूस इन दिस फॉर्मेट. और अगर ये होता है इंट्रोड्यूस होता है तो यहाँ पे बैटर का टेक्निक भी टेस्ट होता है, जो आपने कई बार देखा होगा, क्योंकि टेनिस बॉल इज अबाउट कीपिंग योर हैंड्स अवे फ्रॉम द बॉडी, जो हम कहते हैं कि झटके वाला बैट स्विंग, जिससे यू गेट डिस्टेंस. मगर जब बॉल रिवर्स होने लगता है तो यू नीड टू कीप योर हैंड्स क्लोजर टू योर बॉडी. तो ये टेक्निक में एक एडजस्टमेंट करनी पड़ती है, विच वॉज थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट गिवन द वे इट स्टार्टेड, बट स्लोली प्लेयर्स अडेप्टेड. एंड मैं कहूँगा कि ओवरऑल जो इंटरेस्ट लेवल था बहुत अच्छा था.
सर अभी आपने कहा कि थोड़ी डिफिकल्टी थी पर बाद में अडेप्ट हो गए, कुछ हुआ. वो टेप बॉल में जब शुरुआत हो रही थी तो लाइन एंड लेंस वर नॉट करेक्ट, but something happened, and then
In fact,
tape ball was an attacking
correct,
over.
because tape ball was introduced. Possibly the bowlers were not used to bowling with the tape ball, reverse swing. So the first match that I observed, the first day I was there, and I saw number of white balls bowled, और bowlers correct नहीं कर पा रहे थे. So immediately the next morning, I suggested to सूरज कि ना हम सभी के सब कोचेस के साथ मीटिंग करते हैं, and I want to tell them how the bowler should use that to their advantage. अभी वो क्या कर रहे हैं, I'm going to get थोड़ा सा टेक्निकल. अभी वो कर रहे हैं कि ये अगर पॉइंट ए है और पॉइंट बी अगर आपका बैटर है, तो वो पॉइंट बी को ही एम कर रहे हैं बॉल डालते हुए, और जब तक बॉल 22 यार्ड्स कवर कर रहा है वो स्विंग होके लेग स्टंप के बाहर जा रहा है. तो द फर्स्ट थिंग दे नीड टू गेट इन देयर माइंड इज कि पॉइंट बी को एम नहीं करना है, आपको रिलीज पॉइंट को सोचना है, और पॉइंट ए और पॉइंट बी के बीच में भी एक जगह है, ए प्लस मैं कहूँगा, उसको टारगेट करो, बॉल अपने आप बैटर की तरफ जाएगा. तो भूल जाओ कि बैट्समैन वहाँ पे खड़ा है, यू नीड टू फॉरगेट दैट. और वो हमें वो चेंज दिखाई दिया. तो इट इज़ जस्ट अबाउट द माइंडसेट एंड बैकिंग योर सेल्फ टू बोल वेर यू डोंट सी अ बैटर. बहुत बार यही होता है कि वो आदत होती है, यू सी अ बैटर, यू फिगर्ड आउट अ स्पॉट एंड यू वांट टू बोल देयर, बट व्हेन द बॉल स्टार्ट्स रिवर्सिंग, that landing spot changes. It doesn't go where the batter is. It is actually either side of the batter. You never aim at the batter. तो वो adjustment उन्होंने बहुत अच्छी तरह से की, and then they started using reverse swing to their advantage. कई बार ये भी देखा कि bowlers were willing to start with tape ball. So strategy, as the time goes by, strategy will come into play. And like I said in the last press conference also, कि जो हम कहते हैं कि टेप बॉल स्पेशलिस्ट बॉलर विल बी एक जो एक एरिया है वो क्रिएट करेंगे खुद के लिए, कि हम कहते हैं कि ना बहुत बार डेथ ओवर्स डालने हैं, तो वैसे एक टेप बॉल स्पेशलिस्ट बॉलर भी नीश क्रिएट करेंगे वो खुद के लिए.
Oh, yes, how beautifully explained. Can we have one round of applause for that tape ball explanation? And if you saw those visuals, you know, all those who come from Mumbai, whenever you take that middle stump out, Dhaval is here, he'll know that better. You know, you say that kathi kadli. And that is what exactly happened when middle stumps were knocked out of the ground. Thank you so much, sir, for that explanation. Taking the conversation ahead, Karina, if I could request you to take the next question, where, you know, if you could just tell us, how has cricket influenced your life? And if an opportunity presents, any thoughts on putting an Indian women's cricket career or cricketer's career on celluloid?
Of course, I think that would be one of the greatest achievements, because women in sport today, I think, are leading in the forefront. I'm proud to say that I was part of the Women's Premier League, and it was just euphoric to be there to see. I always know that women can also do everything that a man can, maybe more. But when I saw it actually on the field, I was extremely proud. And I'm so happy that Sachin sir and Ashish ji have mentioned, because I'm also part of the ISPL family, that one day we can have a female batter, and hopefully that team will be my team. So that is my first dream, to have that, because I also have, I hope, and it's a request and it's a prayer and it's everything, that the women cricketers get the standing and the darja that the male cricketers have. That is also a dream to see in our country, and because they are such amazing players, and slowly, slowly, I think I want them to get and receive that stardom that our male cricketers also have. So then I can take it on to the celluloid.
Oh, yes. Thank you so much. And I hope that that will come true soon and at the earliest. If you can ask another question to Saif Ali Khan. You know, we spoke about the ISPL and you know, as the defending champions. You know, what kind of legacy do you hope the ISPL will help establish in inspiring young players, youngsters, and shape the future of sport?
Well, I mean, you know, as we've seen, one of the greatest things, the most exciting thing is how I mean, the saying is that it's from the street to the stadium. And that's the greatest thing about it, and how it's open to so many people that might not have the opportunity. And also it's exciting for, I mean, it can open up potential careers, no? Like people can scout and see these young guys and maybe they can go on to different forms of cricket later. I really think this question is better answered by some of the more senior and experienced people on this panel. But my take on it, what excited me, I must tell you, and I'm so happy that we got a chance to be part of this team along with the owners of my team, how we got onto this thing. It's a really wonderful opportunity for us because it's such a, I mean, for us it was a wonderful investment also, and to think of something that will catch on so well, and as well as be such a positive thing for Indian cricket at a street level. But the feeling I had during the finals at the stadium, the entire stadium was completely packed. There were no stars performing, there was nothing happening, there were just these guys playing, and the entire stadium was there for the love of cricket. There were traffic jams outside, and it was as packed as a star-filled test match, or like a star-filled, I mean, actually more packed than a star-filled test match these days. It was completely packed, and it was so exciting. I think it's going to be huge, and it's a wonderful thing you guys have done for cricket, and for Indian cricket. And I'm just very happy to be part of it.
Yes, absolutely. So wonderfully said and put down where, it was so packed, and we will see that happen again in the second season as well. Sachin sir, coming back to you, where now season 1, remarkable success, we saw that. But getting into season 2, now your expectations from the second season, and one message, Sachin sir, that you would like to give all the participating teams and the players as we get ready for the second season.
Like I said, I loved the spirit. I thought it was very gripping and extremely engaging. A number of international cricketers, my friends, they said कि यार बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है ये, बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है देखने के लिए. And ऐसे comments, casually जब one-on-one हम मिलते हैं तो you don't get to hear. They genuinely mean it. क्योंकि कमरे में जो बात करनी है वो कर सकते हैं, but they genuinely meant. So a big win-win for all the players who played. इसमें और एक important चीज़ मैंने बताई नहीं आपको, but we had kept this mandatory कि हर team will have one under-19 player and all players will play. कि ऐसे नहीं है कि कोई सिर्फ पानी पिला के घर जा रहा है. Each and every player will get a chance to play. So जहाँ पे when there is hope, that drives you to achieve greater things in life, and that is exactly what we want to do. We want to encourage everyone, not just youngsters, because we also saw a 40-year-old. So a 14-year-old played, and so was the case when the 40-year-old also went out. उतना ही focus था उसके ऊपर कि एक 40-year-old is playing. I saw you practicing at Lord's the other day. Are you planning to play next season? Yes. So there might be a surprise. You never know. Lekin, when we played that exhibition game, Amir had batted. I'm going back to Amir क्योंकि उसने जो impression मेरे ऊपर create किया है, it's a lasting impression. After he batted, I checked with him कि क्या fielding करने आओगे? बोला sir fielding नहीं bowling भी करूँगा. And he actually bowled, and that's when I had posted a tweet saying कि genuine leg spinner, because he bowled a brilliant over. Not just that, but he saved a boundary at a crucial moment. तो उसका जो एक enthusiasm है, जो एक positive attitude है towards life, is what I want everyone to learn. All of us can learn from him, not just the players, but all of us. ISPL is a great platform for all the youngsters, the passionate lovers of the game, to go out and express themselves. पहले जाते थे तो गली में खेलते थे. We obviously have a family in the dressing room यहाँ पे अभी ISPL की, but also there is one family sitting at home. Because of them, one is able to sit in this dressing room and enjoy these moments. घर से जब बाहर जाते थे खेलने के लिए गली में तो few people would watch, मगर अभी ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म क्रिएट किया है कि हर गली से दे विल वॉच यू प्ले ऑन टेलीविजन. It's a massive platform, so I would just say that continue being in love with this sport, and the game will look after you. That is all I wish to say.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for your thoughts. And this discussion that we had, it will be only apt if I could request Advocate Ashish Shela sir to just sum up this entire interaction that we had. Okay. So thank you so much. How wonderful that we had. We spoke about the legacy. We spoke about how women participation in the years to come. And that is what love the game. And the game will take care of you. Can we have one big round of applause for this wonderful interaction that we had? Thank you so much to Mr. Sachin Tendulkar. Thank you so much to Mrs. Kareena Kapoor Khan. Thank you so much to Mr. Saif Ali Khan. And we'll have a media interaction, but we'll have a 5-minute break. Before that, if I could request the dignitaries to have one group photo opportunity and then take a break, and then we move on to the media interaction, which will be attended by Mr. Surat Samat and Advocate Ashish Shela.
मैं बोल दिया भाई चल लपेट सब हो गया अपना काम निकलेंगे ना एक्टर को तो निकलते Close. Come close.
Thank you so much. Have a 5-minute break and then we'll have the media interaction. Thank you. Just resume for the media interaction in the next 5 minutes.